My name is Prof Schmidt, and I'm an ARC Laureate Fellow, and I am a node leader here at ANU and theme leader of the dark theme of CAASTRO. So people always get confused about the Big Bang. So our universe is a funny place. Now, we think we've measured the shape of space, and space can potentially, if there is a lot of gravity in it, can bend around, that the gravity will actually cause space to bend onto itself. And so just like the Earth is finite but doesn't have an edge, the universe can be finite and not have an edge. It bends around in 4 dimensions, not 3. But we've made a measurement, and what we find out is that the universe doesn't bend like that. It seems to be flat. And this was measurements made with a NASA satellite of the cosmic microwave background. So the universe is very nearly infinite. Now, we can't always be sure if it's infinite, but it's very close to being infinite. It goes way beyond any place that we can see. So when people ask the question, you know, where was the Big Bang? Well, the Big Bang was everywhere. It was right here. It just was 13.7 billion years ago. So it's in the past, but it's everywhere. So the entire world, the universe we know, was collapsed down into a tiny little spot. But it doesn't mean that the universe still wasn't infinite back in the past. If the universe is infinite now, it was infinite back at the time of the Big Bang. It went on. It was just that everything was much, much denser, and everything that we can't see now was piled into closer and closer places. The other question is, people say, well, what can the universe be expanding into? And I always like to say the universe is expanding into the future, because it is this 4 dimensions that describe our universe through general relativity is a dimension of time as well as space. And so it's the future that allows the universe to sort of expand. And so it's a funny concept that is hard to get one's head around. No one really sees it in their mind. But it is the universe we live in, a universe described by 4 dimensions, not 3.